GROWNSY 8-in-1 Fast Baby Milk Warmer. So this is great for breast milk or formula that will give you an accurate temperature control as well as defrost, sterilize, keep heat in the milk, and just allows for a quick, accurate warmth. So as you can see, very easy to set it up here. You can add a little water within it, and then that will allow it to steam. You always want to make sure you put that water in and have your bottle of milk placed in there, whichever type it is that you're using. So it can keep warm up to about 24 hours. It's got an anti-scald basket to prevent from any burns. There's multiple timer settings on there as well as temperature ones. As far as the temperature goes, before thawing should be about -10, after thawing 37 degrees Celsius. Great for night feeding. It's going to be very easy and convenient. Has a smart, accurate temperature control. Does come in a few different colors, and just perfect for a bottle assistant. Very easy to clean. It even comes with the stain remover packet, as you can see here. Also has an auto shut off button. Check it out.